I challenge you to take a moment right now and think about the last time you truly recharged. If it's been too long, you are not alone. And today I show you how to change that. Hi, I'm Agnes Sophie from Genx Career Navigator. I help experienced professionals discover the joy of aligning their career goals with their personal happiness. Today we are diving into the importance of recharging our energy through travel and nature, especially in our busy lives. Now, let's talk about why maintaining a high energy level is crucial for the effectively managing your career while ensuring it complements your happiness rather than overwhelming you. When we operate at a high energy level, we are not just more productive, we are also more engaged and creative. This energy allows us to approach our work with enthusiasm and a fresh perspective. It's essential to recognize that relaxation plays a very significant role in this process. So taking the time to unwind is not a luxury, it's a necessity. I hope you don't need a special permission and you don't feel guilty planning your free time to recharge your batteries. But if you need a permission, I am giving you this permission here and now. And if you find a space to recharge your batteries, being closer to nature and finding space to traveling, even if it's nothing very luxurious, even if it's really a short trip, you will be surprised by the results, especially long term. Why is relaxation so important? Relaxation brings freshness to our perception and perspective. When we allow ourselves to step back and take a breather, we create space for new ideas and insights to emerge. This is especially vital in our today's fast-paced world where the pressure to perform can lead to burnout. Burnout can cloud our judgment and hinder our ability to think clearly. When we are overwhelmed, it's challenging to see our lives and careers in the proper perspective. We may lose sight of our goals and the bigger picture, which can lead to frustration and stagnation. By prioritizing relaxation and recharging our energy, we can avoid burnout and maintain clarity of our thoughts. And this clarity is essential to strategic thinking. When we are energized, we can step back and assess our situation more objectively. We can identify what's working, what's not, and what adjustments we need to make to align our career with our happiness. Moreover, having high energy levels empowers us to take action. When we feel good physically and mentally, we are more likely to pursue our goals with vigor. We can tackle challenges head on and seize opportunities as they arise. So remember, keeping your energy levels high is not just about productivity, it's about creating a fulfilling career that enhances your overall happiness. By integrating relaxation and rejuvenation into your routine, you'll be better equipped to strategize, see the bigger picture, and take the necessary actions to reach out to your goals. So, what is the power of travel? Traveling is not just a break from routine, it's an opportunity to recharge your energy, When you step outside your daily environment, you expose yourself to new experiences, cultures, and perspectives. And this change of scenery can invigorate your mind and spirit. So it is also sparking your creativity, bringing you new ideas which you can apply to your career. Another fantastic opportunity to recharge is nature, and nature is the best place to rejuvenate. So studies show that spending time in nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and increase energy levels. So whatever it is, like a hike in the mountains or a little walk along the beach or simply sitting in the park, being in the nature allows you to disconnect from this hustle style of daily life and to connect to your true self. So create your nature routine, and this means incorporating nature into your daily life, even when you are not traveling. So find local parks or green spaces when you can spend your time outdoors regularly. Consider starting your day with a morning walk or ending it with a sunset stroll. So these small changes may reduce your stress significantly and increase your energy level. So to wrap things up, remember that traveling and connecting with nature are powerful ways to recharge your energy and enhance your overall happiness. By stepping outside your routine and immersing yourself in the beauty of the world, you can spark creativity, reduce stress, and regain fresh perspective of your career and your life. So, here is what I encourage you to do. Plan your next adventure. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a longer trip, make it a priority to explore new places and experience the wonders of nature. Incorporate nature into your daily life. Even small moments spent outdoors can make a big difference. So find local parks, local gardens, or trails to enjoy regularly. And practice mindfulness. When you are in nature, take the time to be present. Breathe deeply. Observe your surroundings and let go of the stresses of daily life. And share your journey. Don't forget to document and share your travel experiences with your friends, family, or audience. Your stories can inspire others to seek out their own adventures and reconnect with nature. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your favorite travel or nature experience in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to embrace the beauty of the world around us. Until next time, keep exploring, stay energized, and remember, the world is waiting for you.